Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I saw that like vlog style videos are coming back, like we want to bring them back. So I thought today would be a fun little kind of like FaceTime style video, just doing my hair and chit-chatting. So go plug in your straightener and get all your hair products ready and let's do our hair together. Everything that I use will be linked down below in the description box, probably through Amazon. So thank you if you use my Amazon link. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, I'm freezing today. It is so cold here in New Jersey and it looks dark, but that's because the sun's been going in and out all day. It's probably like only 11 in the morning. It's supposed to snow, allegedly. But if you're from New Jersey, you know that they say it's gonna snow all the time and half the time it doesn't. But it did snow last night, apparently. I had no idea it even snowed. I'm excited that I'm seeing people say like they want to bring vlog style videos back because I personally really like them. I think they're fun to watch. I also just really like the whole like pretending we're on FaceTime together kind of aspect of a video. I think it's just fun. One product I really want to talk about really quick is the Aromatica Rosemary Root Enhancer. If you have a dry scalp, literally just buy this whole entire line. The shampoo, the conditioner, they have a scalp scrub, they have like a leave-in or a mask, something like that. It is so good, but this one in particular is my favorite because it really helps with the dandruff and the dry scalp. My dandruff has been so bad this winter. I don't know why. I want to say it's because it got so cold so quick out of nowhere. That's what's annoying it. And my eczema too has been really bad, but I think that's just stress related, but that's a different story. But this, if you're going to pick up anything from this video, get this. One thing I really want to talk about, because I have no one to talk about it with, is One True Loves by Taylor Jenkins Reid. So I read the book. I read it, I think I started it the weekend after Christmas and I finished it on New Year's Eve. The book was great. I really, really like Taylor Jenkins Reid's style of writing. But I was really excited to see that there was a movie because I love to read a book and watch a movie after it. Like, who doesn't? So on New Year's Day, because I was off and I had the worst headache in the world, I was like, you know what? I'll just watch the movie. So before watching the movie, because I'm extremely nosy, I had to Google the whole entire cast, but the only girl I recognized was the girl from Bones. I was like, alright, might be a flop, could be good though, who knows. So I turned it on. Thank God it was on Hulu. I put it on and I don't even know, like 10 minutes in, I was like, this movie is horrible. But because I'm me, I stuck it out, but it was so bad. So I did like talk about it on Threads, but I feel like not a lot of people like use Threads. If you do, follow me on there. It's my Instagram handle. A couple people did say the same thing. So then they were like, you have to start Daisy Jones and the Six then. So I read that. I really liked that book. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I did. And again, loved how it was written. So I started watching that last night because I'm all caught up with Housewives. We'll get into Housewives in a second. But I really, really like Daisy Jones and the Six. And I was talking about One True Love on Threads. Someone was talking about the Evelyn Hugo movie. And I totally forgot they were making that into a movie. Also loves that book. I will link all these books down below. But I feel like Evelyn Hugo, the cast, will be better because of how big the book is on TikTok. It's just like completely blown up. But One True Loves was such a major letdown. I was so upset because the book was pretty good. I enjoyed the book. After that, I read The Light We Lost. I don't remember the girl's name that wrote that. It was pretty good. But the main character kind of annoyed me. So I'm all caught up on Housewives. I got on a Housewife binge like last year around this time because everyone on TikTok was talking about Salt Lake. And I was like, alright, I have to watch Salt Lake City because the drama was insane. If you've never watched Housewives and you want to get into a franchise, start with Salt Lake. You will not be disappointed. I started a lot of the franchises and then I would stop watching them. So I started with Salt Lake and there wasn't a lot of seasons. I think they're only on the 5th season currently. So after that, I obviously had to go to New Jersey. New Jersey was good. I love New Jersey. I want New Jersey to come back, but they need to get rid of Jennifer Aiden. That's all I have to say. Not a fan of her. Then after New Jersey, I watched OC. I would watch OC when I was in high school, and then like I just kind of forgot about it. but I like it so much better now that I'm older. And I also love the fact that Andy Cohen gives us the uncensored versions of like the last episode and then the reunion. I just want them all to be uncensored. Like, if you watch New Jersey, that season finale episode uncensored, ugh, it's just so good. But after OC, I watched Beverly Hills. So now I'm all caught up with Beverly Hills, and I'm up to date on my Salt Lake, but they're on a little break for the holidays. So yeah, so then I started Daisy Jones and the Six, but I'm obviously going to finish that this weekend because it's only 10 episodes. And I'm like halfway done. I'm going to need a show to watch after all of this. So if you guys have any show recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. I did get a book for Christmas. I totally am blanking on the name of the book, but it is a TV show, and I'm planning to read the book then watch that TV show. But I feel like, again, it's going to be just like Daisy Jones and the Six, where it's only like 10 episodes. If you guys have any book recommendations too, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm always looking for something to add to my TBR. I never thought in a million years I'd be talking about books I read, because I used to hate reading. I had to put my glasses on because I cannot see a single thing. But my hair is all done now. It's nice and pin straight, just how I like it. I hope you guys had fun doing your hair with me. I definitely want to do more videos like this, so let me know in the comments down below if I should. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, and that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.